Welcome to the Storyteller. Here's a conversation between Will and Emily, former colleagues meeting at a supermarket after years. Idioms and slang used in this conversation are explained at the end of the video. Happy learning.
Emily, is that you? I can't believe my eyes.
Will? Oh my goodness, it's been ages. How long has it been?
Too long. Feels like a lifetime since our office days. What brings you here?
We just moved to town last week. Daniel and I have been dreaming of leaving the city, and we finally bit the bullet and bought a place here.
Wow, you're living the dream. Welcome to the neighborhood. How's it treating you so far?
Oh, it's been great. Peaceful, you know? A breath of fresh air, literally. And Eva is loving it too. She's our little one, just turned 1 last month.
Oh, that's adorable. You've got your hands full, huh?
Oh, you bet. She's at that age where she's into everything. What about you? Still here in town?
Yep, born and bred here. I'm sticking to my roots. My wife and I are here with our 2 boys and our dog, Theo.
2 boys? You've got your own little squad. How old are they?
7 and 10. They're a handful, but they keep life interesting. And Theo's basically the 3rd kid, always up to some mischief.
Sounds like you've got a full house. How do you even find time to grocery shop?
Oh, it's a juggling act, but this supermarket's my home away from home. What about you? Settling in okay?
So far, so good. It's a bit of a learning curve, figuring out where everything is, but people here have been super friendly.
That's the thing about this town. Everyone's down to earth. If you need tips or shortcuts, just holler. I've got the lowdown on all the best spots.
That's so kind of you, thanks. Maybe you could recommend a good park? Eva loves being outdoors.
Oh, for sure. Willow Creek Park is perfect for families. Lots of open space, and they've got a nice playground, too. Theo loves it there. He goes nuts chasing squirrels.
Sounds like Eva and Theo would get along great. We'll have to check it out.
Definitely. Hey, why don't we catch up properly sometime? Our families could meet. It'd be fun.
That sounds lovely. Let's swap numbers and we'll set something up.
Perfect. And welcome to the neighborhood again. You'll settle in before you know it. It's like riding a bike.
Thanks, Will. It's so nice to see a familiar face. Let's catch up soon.
Absolutely. Take care, Emily.
You too, Will.
We hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching.